Welcome to the installation process of Formula Evaluator Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace and you search for the app. Then you click on it. Click on Install and then you click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. When you're done with your app installation, reload the page and you search for the custom page of the app and you click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey with this specific app is right in here. We have the tutorial, smart key video and the configuration walkthrough video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. Let's walk you through on how to connect your app. Click on the Start Setup and then you insert your email. Then you click on Complete Setup. We have the Support Center where you'll be able to create a ticket and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the notification button, insert your email and you click on Subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.